Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, I'll show you how to remove the home button from your web or browser on your PC. It's very simple and easy. Now let's start. First, open web or browser on your PC. Then see here, this is home button. Now we remove this from here. To remove this, go to the top right corner and then click on three bar menu. Then go to the bottom and click on settings. Then click on appearance and then under the toolbar tab here you can find show home button option. Now simply turn this off. See here, the home button is now removed from here. That's it for now. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you enjoy this, please like this and also as well as subscribe our channel for more interesting tech videos like this. Thank you.